Good morning, Sylvana Reed, Assistant Public Defender with and on behalf of Mr. Ruggs.
All right. This is going to be a waiver.
That is correct.
Mr. Ruggs, you signed this examination waiver?
Yes, I did, sir.
You understand that a preliminary examination is a proceeding where the people would have to show by probable cause that the offense alleged was committed and that you committed it.
Yes, sir.
And you understand that you'll not have that hearing and that you'll proceed to circuit court for further resolution.
Yes, sir.
People also waive their right. Preliminary examination having been waived, defendant is bound over to circuit court on count 1 with 2 following. Street.
Thank you. We would acknowledge receipt of the information, waive any further reading and stand mute.
Defendant having waived formal reading, standing mute, court will enter a not guilty plea. Pretrial will be set for
27th at 1:30 before Judge Slate Thursday.
June 27, 2024, 1:30 Slate Thursday. Bond with its conditions will continue. Yes.
The note in my file from the other APA that you saw in violation you passed today.
Yes.
The May 17th, 2024 bond violation report.
I do. Is there a reason why you were missing? You were testing elsewhere, weren't you?
No, sir. I was told I needed a court order, and I was on video Zoom with you on my last court order, and nobody contacted me and told me where to go.
Why didn't they?
I do have information about a facility that he would like to test at. He lived in Macomb County. We
Yeah, I'm on GPS. Oh, I'm sorry.
called them and they indicated as long as the order indicates what sort of panel needs testing and the frequency.
Well, that was supposed to be done before. If I give you a test today, are you going to test?
Yeah, the only thing I'm gonna fail for would be marijuana. Your Honor.
Why are you using that?
Can I speak freely?
Yes.
Your Honor, I'm gonna be upfront honest with you. I used to have a crack cocaine addiction, and I've come a long way. I've been through a lot, this past few months. I lost my father, my grandmother. And there's no excuses. It's just the only thing that I've helped to.
Give me an order. Okay, he's going to go over to community corrections test today. I'll get the results and then I'll determine what his bond will be as he proceeds up, because he's told me what's going to happen, and then we'll figure out. In the meantime, counsel can prepare an order so that he can test in Macomb. Okay.
And then just to be clear for the record, the waiver is complete and we're only coming back on whether or not they'll be remanded.
Pardon?
The waiver's all set now.
Well, technically, no.
Got it.
Because technically to retain jurisdiction, but I still have jurisdiction anyway. So he needs to go over and test, and then we'll figure out what we're gonna do.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Nicole, use on behalf of the people.
Sylvana Reed, Assistant Public Defender with and on behalf of Mr. Ruggs.
As we were walking out of the courtroom, I went to release the deputy who is present. I did not believe that the victim of the domestic violence was present today because she didn't check in with us. As we were leaving, the deputy let me know that the victim was actually present today with the defendant sitting beside him. As we exited into the hallway so that I could see who the deputy was referring to, the defendant was speaking to Ms. Perkins out in the hallway, and the deputy confirmed that that is the victim. There, as I understand it, based on everything that's filed, there's a no contact order. In that, in addition to the corrections violation, I'm requesting that he be remanded and that his bond be revoked.
That's not my problem. She was in court.
Mr. Allen, thank you, sir.
Your Honor, I have no further information at this time.
Does he admit to the violation?
Your Honor. Not speak.
If you wish.
She wasn't here with me today, Your Honor.
Were you talking to her in the hallway?
She made a comment to her in the hallway. We were talking to her about testing, and I said something that I didn't.
Were you sitting next to each other in the courtroom? I can get video from the courtroom.
Oh, yeah, I
So-
understand that. Yeah, she was sitting next to me.
You're not to have contact with her. You know that. Forget the testing. defendant's bond at this time is revoked, defendant's remanded. It'd just go up before Judge Slay. I'll just leave it there.
Thank you.
Your Honor.
And just like that, what started as a routine waiver hearing took a dramatic turn no one saw coming. Mr. Ruggs, standing quietly next to his public defender, waived his preliminary examination, a legal step that allows a case to proceed directly to circuit court without a mini-trial. On paper, it looked like just another procedural moment in the courtroom. But then, things unraveled fast. While the judge was focused on bond conditions and drug testing compliance, a critical bombshell dropped. Mr. Ruggs had been spotted in direct contact with the victim of the alleged domestic violence case, right there in the courthouse hallway. Even more shocking, they were sitting side by side in the courtroom itself. The public defender, clearly blindsided, confirmed that this violated a no-contact order on record. The judge didn't hesitate. Despite Mr. Ruggs' emotional explanation about marijuana use and his past struggles with addiction, the courtroom wasn't in a forgiving mood today. In a matter of seconds, bond revoked. Defendant remanded. And just like that, the mood shifted from hopeful to harsh. No more testing arrangements. No more second chances. Mr. Ruggs is now back in custody and heading straight for Judge Slay's courtroom. Police Garlight, this case is a stark reminder of how quickly things can escalate in court and how serious no-contact orders are. It doesn't matter if you're just talking in the hallway. If there's an order in place, one wrong move can send you straight back behind bars. Bell, if you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to smash that like button. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Do you think the judge made the right call? Would you have ruled differently? And of course, subscribe for more raw, real, and unfiltered courtroom breakdowns. This is justice in real time, and we're just getting started.